hat, I would assume.
I'm green.
N60. About 249. Thing won't feed.
Yeah?
Fucking sucks.
This thing's starting not to feed too, so. Oh, those are our guys. They're black.
Friendlies! Stick next to the big guy. Oh, feels bad now.
So, instead of having a high capacity mag, I'm using 30 rounders.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I got a pump shotgun.
America.
America!
Oh, revolver too?
Oh yeah.
Wind gun?
Yep.
Ooh, good choice.
What the fuck's up with all this shit?
I think that's a torture thing.
Totally volunteering to get tortured.
Yeah, one of them ran up backwards that way. They're pushing back from what I just saw. But let's keep a couple guys back here to cover this and let's move up.
I got it right there.
Yeah.
I burned through my 3 fucking mid caps already.
I'm using real caps because I'm fucking insane.
Alright guys, make sure we get this all cut.
Why are we being ordered to retreat?
I don't know. I think we need the douchebag.
Got one. They have dudes in the trailer?
There's a black guy in the trailer.
Those guys all in there are
The
hostile?
guy in the trailer is black.
I guess.
Although he's black with a gray, he might be, I don't know what team he is. He's hit. Want to scooch out more? Try to get through the bushes. Just go back.
Well, I hear Latchy.
Pink tape.
Oh.
Never mind, you can't go over there. Let's scooch in here. Are they all tan? Yeah. I'm gonna hang back and low suppression. Guys, move quick, move quick, move quick! Get out of the way, get out of the way!
Move on up, move on up!
Get out of the way! Get out of the way! There's another guy behind the house with the blue tack on it. He's to the right. There was 2 back there, 1 walked out. Alright guys, let's get in closer. If you got Sammy, get in there. You got Sammy, get in there. I'll suppress her right here. I can't go in, I don't have Sammy.
Move up!
White building in the blue tack.
Oh.
I'm hit. Yo. Alright, 2 to the left and pass the office. 1, right behind the ground wood.
sandbags is hostile?
I don't know.
I'm hit, damn it!
Wait, do we have any guys in there?
The guy in the green helmet is already dead. They're coming up to the rear, hard, move up! Damn! I'm fucking hit! You fucking piece of shit! Keep going! Keep going!
For the 4th time, dude. You're hit.
Yo, move your hand! Yo, who's down at the gun? Move your gun.
Hit! Hit! Yeah. Hit again! Thank you! My hands are over my head! Do you see the red rag? See that? You fucking prick.
Medic.
Why are we all bunched up?
Oh, nice dive.
Go, go, go! Hey, do you think you can get about 10 feet to the left of our medic? Up on that brick wall?
That wall?
Yes, sir.
Can you cover me? Just spray.
Yeah. Oh, that's the wrong left. I'll be your assistant gunner. Yeah. Oh, they shooting at us. Coming so close to the left. Oh. Oh. you're hit, you're hit. Watch your left, watch your left. Oh, you guys are. What? Yeah, I wouldn't either. They're coming up on that side.
They really want their CO back.
Yeah.
Kid, I fucking saw me hit you. Hit! Ow.
Hit. Oh, I got that.